Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily automatically hide and show dock on macOS Big Sur. So the Big Sur update is here. If you want to update your system to Big Sur, refer the link in the description of the video. So right now you can see the dock is positioned in the bottom and it's fixed. Let us see how we can hide it and view it on keeping mouse cursor, and that too automatically. Let's see how. Go to the Apple sign, click on it, click on system preferences. Herein guys, click on dock and menu bar. On clicking guys, you can see from here you can change the dock size. From here you can position dock, and to automatically hide and show the dock, you can just click on this. On clicking, it will hide. But guys, how you can show it? You can easily show it by keeping the cursor. You can see on keeping the cursor it is visible. When you will remove it, it will vanish. Let's keep the cursor again. It is visible. So through this setting, you can automatically hide and show the dock on macOS Big Sur. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.